28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. I hit the blunt, now I'm feeling my soul. I'ma go hard to the end of the road. You better stay in your lane, cause shooting down got road rage. I ain't no white boy, but I call cold plays. I'm in that Lamborghini, same color as OJ. Nigga with an attitude, but dog, I ain't O'Shea. My mama say some detectives, they got some warrants for me. But I'm somewhere out of town, in some foreign pussy. And I'ma drink up this drink until I'm real pissy. I don't judge her, I just fuck her till she real dizzy. I know you hear me coming, call me a freight train. Yeah, times has changed, tell me why these fuck boys try to murder my name. My shit is bulletproof, won't lose a tooth. Want my pay like a Jew, hanging out the sunroof. I'ma kill him in the booth. Matter of fact, I'ma go retarded, and niggas already know where the shit started. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I got 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I got 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I'm in my Charger, dodging charges, turn your ass to a carcass. Call up the bosses, dog, I can't afford to take losses. I never brush my teeth, but I always floss them. Diamonds in my mouth, bad bitches in my house. Walking on that hardwood, then I give them hardwood. When it's all over, she still feel empty. Until you bitch niggas, please don't tempt me. Got some bitches that'll kill you for a ride in my Bentley. Niggas going soft, so I'ma go harder. Ducking on them niggas like my name was Vince Carter. Never own a bitch, motherfucker, I'm a starter. I don't need your pardons, I'ma do my thing regardless. I've been fucking her good, my new bitch is calmer. Make you niggas sweat like a sauna. I'm top like ramen. I don't think you wanna choose a bitch, use a woman. And nigga, I'm a gunner. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I got 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. Success, that's inevitable. Shoot him down the great, dog. Ain't nobody better though. If I go to jail, dog, it better be federal. Tell me why these niggas turning soft like cereal. Look into my bank account and all you see is Cheerios. You fucking with some killer bees, you will be a memory. Before I leave this world, motherfuckers gon' remember me. This shit is not a mystery. Shoot him down is great. I got 28 grams, about to take it to the face. Life is a party, feeling like Bob Marley. Maybe Jimi Hendrix when I hop up on that Harley. I'm laughing at you dummies while I'm counting cash money. You can't get shit from me. But fuck you, I guess that's what the cash do. Nah, that's what the past do. What you niggas mad cause I room past you? Got you in a bad mood, you can't hit the blunt, so don't even ask to. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I got 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure. I got 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. Don't know confession, never crack under pressure.
Yeah, shooting down the grade, homie. We getting money over here, nigga. Bird Gang Federation, it's official. We ain't going nowhere. South Central King, man. 28 grams. We get it all. Shout out to my nigga Killer, man. Highly anticipated. Yeah, it's here. We ain't going nowhere, dawg. 8400. Bird Gang. The Federation, homie. West side of California, homie. Los Angeles. It's the great. 28 grams on my motherfucking dresser. San Pedro to Avalon, nigga. To Central, nigga. Manchester. 84th, 85th, nigga. 79th.